Hello? The countertop dishwasher you mentioned offers several features that make it a convenient and versatile appliance. Here are the key features of this product. Small size with large capacity. This mini dishwasher has a compact design but offers a large capacity. It can hold 4 bowls of rice, 7 plates, 3 large cups, 2 milk bottles, and 12 pieces of tableware and forks. With a height of only 18.03 inches, 17.9 inches without the tank lid, it should fit under most kitchen cabinets. Water leakage. Prevention. The dishwasher is designed with double sprays on the upper and lower sides. These sprays provide high temperature and high pressure water, ensuring effective cleaning and preventing stains from hiding. The reasonable design also helps solve the problem of water leakage. Multifunctional use. In addition to washing dishes, this dishwasher can also be used to wash fruits and vegetables, removing pesticide residues and providing a function for purifying ingredients. It can effectively clean both tableware and produce. Multiple program options. The dishwasher offers 5 washing programs that can be easily selected using the touchscreen switch. This allows for simple and convenient operation, and the small dishwasher can meet different selection requirements depending on your needs. To purchase the product and find more detailed information, you can click on the link provided below the video.